It's pretty cool, really. Ideas that were once thought to be straight out of science fiction are now at our fingertips today. Take touchscreens, for example. They're in our cell phones, our computers, our tablets, and even our refrigerators. New ideas are refreshing. Advanced technology, easy to use, making our lives better. It's a simple idea, and it's the concept behind the Aero touchscreen deadbolt. The Aero touchscreen deadbolt is so easy to use, we could have left the instructions out of the box. Because most of us don't bother to read instructions anyway. And it's so intuitive, it actually talks you through the setup process.
Menu mode. Enter number.
In a few short steps, you can
Automatic relock. Enable.
The Aero Revolution touchscreen deadbolt is a smarter, tougher, easier solution. And best of all, this technology, it isn't science fiction. It's here.